to Local Memphis Live. Earlier in the show, we learned about some of the programs your kids can enjoy at the Children's Museum of Memphis.
Carrie Roberts is back with us to show us how to make something fun from the Silly Science program. Carrie, what do you got making out there today? What's up?
Hi, yes, well, normally Professor Beeswax heads up our Silly Science program, but he couldn't be here today. So I have a little bit of help from some of our fall break campers. I have Julian, Charlotte, Jordan, Hadley, and Raylyn with me this morning. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some orange oobleck. Since it's fall and it's kind of pumpkin time, I was thinking this would be a fun experiment for the kids to do. Now, oobleck is what's considered a non-Newtonian liquid. That means it takes on characteristics of both a solid and a liquid. So we're going to show the kids what that means. We only need 3 things to make this, and most everybody has this at home, and really actually you can do it with just 2. Water and cornstarch. Now, for the purpose of TV, we're going to add a little bit of coloring to it so that you can see it a little bit better. But now keep in mind that coloring sometimes can stain your fingers or your clothes, so be careful with it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some water, and you need about 1 cup of cornstarch per ½ cup of water. So I'm just going to pour some water in here. We're going to start with that, and then I'm going to take a little bit of coloring here, and this is our orange coloring. Now, Julian, can you kind of stick your hand in there and swish it around for me? All right, now I'm going to add the cornstarch, and Julian's going to use his hand and just keep stirring. Can you stir that up for me real good? Use your whole hand down in there. And we're going to keep going. Now, you're going to want it to be about the consistency of syrup for this to work. So I'm going to stick my hands down in here now and see where we're going with this. And I think we need a little bit more cornstarch in here. We're just going to dump all that cornstarch. So anyway, so a non-Newtonian liquid. You can see as I pick this up, look at this. Ugh. It's ooey gooey and it's liquidy. Yes, and it's so fun to play with. So when you stick your hand in it, it's like a liquid. But if you push down really quickly or you pick up a glob, it's more like a solid. So that it takes on characteristics of both solid and liquid. So that's something fun that you can do at home with the kids, and it's things that you already have in your kitchen. If you guys want to play with it, you can stick your hands in it.
Yes.
Let's not sling it all over the place, though.
Looks
so
like
here
a
it
lot
is.
of
This
fun.
is oobleck.
Oobleck. All right. Looks like a lot of fun, Carrie. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Learned a lot about the Children's Museum of Memphis.
Tell those kids are ready to go, too, man. They're like, let's get in there.
Fall break.
Tell you what, that is one of the cool assets of the city of Memphis. There's so many great things that are going on. And that Children's Museum, every time I drive past it, I'm thinking, I'm so proud of that.
Yeah, me too.
It really is nice.
Me too.
It's great.
Looks very beautiful over there. Well, coming up, Rachel, Derek, and Richard are standing by in our GI Specialist Green Room.
They are here to perform and invite you to the Villains Variety Show at Minglewood this weekend. Stick around. It's going to be fun. Wow.